Hello friends, as I have discussed you in my last videos that physics ATP consists of 4 questions. So I have discussed 2 questions, how to prepare yourself for 2 questions. Now I'm going to discuss more questions, 2 more questions. Next question, I will review the syllabus of physics ATP. As I have discussed you, physics ATP, there are 4 questions: electricity and electronics, light, thermal and temperature based question, and experimental measurements. This is my own observation. It is not concerned with the uh, actual syllabus or this syllabus of CI. It is not such syllabus. It is my observation. This is my practice. That's why don't think that this is a syllabus which CI provide you. No, there is no physics book. There is no physics book. So you will prepare yourself self from past papers. So I will discuss. I will think about these 4 criteria where you will practice. This is not the actually provided by CI syllabus. This is CI not provide these syllabus. It is my own observation. This is my own thinking. So please remember this thing. You will base your practice on these criteria. So in these 4 questions, I have discussed last 2 questions. In these questions, 2 question, question number third related to experimental measurements. This question related to experimental measurement. In this question, you will know about different chapter like magnet, magnetic chapter, magnetism, and electromagnetism chapter, and you have to study mass, weight, and density chapter. So pressure chapter and turning effect of force chapter. You have to study all these chapters. You just study. So in this experimental measurements, you must know about magnet, electromagnetic, magnet, properties and magnet of properties and application of magnet, and how to make magnetic field pattern. And you must know about magnetized material. And also you will study about measuring cylinder, how to take volume. In volume you will take 2 lengths. First length is called V1, and when you insert something inside the measuring cylinder, next reading is V2. So you will take the difference of these two measuring cylinder. You will take the layer difference of these two. V2 minus 1 V1 will give you the weight of the object. So for irregular shape object, we use measuring cylinder to calculate its weight. And you will study measuring cylinder. And also you will study about volume, mass, density, weight, and all related concept about these chapter. Also you will study turning effect of force, pressure. So basic concept, and you also discuss sound chapter. You will study sound chapter. So these experiment like echo of sound. So you will calculate echo of sound. So these chapters you have study experimental instruments measurements question. Next is thermal and temperature based question. Next last question is thermal and temperature based question. So in this, for this question, you will study these chapter. First, kinetic model of matter, transfer of thermal energy, temperature, and thermal properties of matter. So in this chapter, you will study all these chapters. I am telling you again, this is my own effort. I am telling you my own effort. This is my own practice by which you can study ATP. This is not uh, syllabus, actual syllabus of CIE. I have discussed with my practice. You will these criteria. I am telling you from my practice. Okay, this is my thinking. This is my own effort. So you will study all these chapters. So this question related to kinetic model matter, transfer of thermal energy, temperature, and thermal properties of matter. So please study all these chapters. And now you have to know about some extra reading tasks. Extra reading tasks, you have to study about these things. For example, parallax error. What is parallax error? You must know. This is parallax error is vision error, human reaction error, random or error or instrumental error. We can say random error means instrumental error. And human reaction error, when you do some calculation, you didn't take the average. So human reaction error will occur. If you don't take the average, so you will have a human reaction error. And parallax error, I have discussed, parallel error is a vision error. Your line of sight must be parallel to the layer of anything like measuring cylinder or thermometer meniscus, lower meniscus. You will read lower meniscus from any device. So parallax, otherwise parallax error will occur. Or you can observe in light chapter when object pin and image pin will coincide. Or you can read from ruler. So parallax error will occur. So please read carefully about these errors. And also very important thing is micrometer or vernier caliper. There are two types of error, positive zero error and negative zero error. So you will study these errors. So you must know all these topics, micrometer and how to measure reading from micrometer, positive error, positive zero error, negative zero error. Now, also so you must have knowledge about these things like crocodile clips. How to apply crocodile clips? Crocodile clips is basically used for connections. You can connect crocodile clips with the circuit, so current will flow inside the circuit, and you can remove crocodile clips, so circuit will cut off. So crocodile clips are used as a temporary connection. And also you must know how to use set square. Set square is used for measuring different length L1 and L2, and you will take the difference L2 minus L1. And also you must know how to read, study ray box. Ray box, it is used in light experiment. You must know about ray box. Ray box is used for use for one direction. Ray box is used for making your light one direction. So ray by ray box you can make more monochromatic light. Monochromatic means one direction light. Any one light, for example, red light. You can convert light in only single monochromatic single red light. And also you will study tunnel wheel. And also you will read how to measure readings from ammeter and voltmeter. Application of voltmeter and voltmeter, ammeter and voltmeter. So thank you. I think I have discussed all details about this syllabus, physics ATPI. Best of luck.